Come here, Tippy. Come see Daddy. Come see Daddy. Come here, beautiful. Come see Daddy. Hello, beautiful. How are you doing this morning? How's it going? Can we hear your purr? Yes. Can we hear your purr? How's it going this morning? Come here. Where's your sister? Where's your sister, beautiful? She's so pretty. Daddy love you too. Where's your sister? You're on her page. Yes, you are. Beautiful. I love you too. Yes, we do. Good girl. Good girl, beautiful. You're so pretty. Trying to see you. Yeah. Okie dokie. All right. She's a pretty girl. We know.